Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Spotify premium account. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, open up the Spotify app on your mobile device. Once you're in Spotify, tap on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen. And then on the next menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. The first option down is Premium Plan, view your plan, so tap on that one. Then next, tap on See Available Plans. At the bottom, tap on Change Your Plan. Then as you can see, it says my current plan is Premium Individual. So if I just scroll down, you can change your plan to any of these other plans if you like. It shows you the pricing. Or if you want to go back to Spotify Free, it says switching to free will cancel your premium plan. So then just tap on that cancel premium button. Then it says how you listen will change. So if you cancel, you'll change to our free plan on the 7th of June 2023. And here's how your listening will change on that date. So you'll hear ads every 15 minutes. You won't be able to play any song anytime on mobile. You can skip only 6 songs per hour, and 0 of your downloaded songs will be available offline. So if you're happy with that, click on continue to cancel, or if you don't want to go ahead and cancel, tap on back to account, but I'm going to click on continue to cancel. So it's asking you one more time, cancel premium individual plan. You will change to a free plan on the 7th of June 23 and lose access to all premium benefits. So I'm going to tap on yes, cancel. And now I've cancelled my Spotify premium. And that's what it takes to cancel Spotify Premium on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.